Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, we're going to talk about 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords to do with the horse coloring book niche, and this is an amazing niche that has great potential. I'm going to be sharing with you keywords that have been carefully researched and proven to be low competition, high demand. Now we use a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of each of our keywords for today's video, and these keywords are best suitable for the title and subtitle. If there's any keywords that are to be used for the 7 keyword slots, I will definitely let you know. So before we get started, welcome. I'm Nora and I do daily videos talking about Amazon KDP profitable keywords, as well as strategies that I've used myself and that have been implemented and proven to work. If you are new to the channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon in order to view all our most up-to-date videos. So with that being said, let's get started with our first keyword for the day. Now I will be activating all of the 4 Chrome extensions so we can be able to analyze effectively. And our first keyword is horse coloring book. Horse coloring book is an amazing keyword. It has a keyword niche score of 61, green light, ready to go by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. Amazon Scout Pro has given this a number 8, categorizing this as a nice niche. Now bear in mind, number 9 is the highest when it comes to the keyword niche score. The total results for this keyword is 3,022. Now it's a little bit higher on the higher side, but bear in mind that it is below 5,000 and that it is also a great keyword to use for either the title or the subtitle. The average bestseller rank is also within the acceptable range, which is below 400,000, and it is currently averaging 284,020. The average reviews is 336 and average price is $7.47. Scrolling down, we are avoiding the books that are sponsored, like the top 4 books right over here. We don't want to pay attention to that. We want to look at books that are not sponsored. There are no ads running, and we want at least 2 to 3 books with a bestseller rank under 100,000 for on the first page. So for example, we have our first one right here, and it has a bestseller rank of 8,993. Our second one, 10,518. Number 3 on the list is 27,000, and number 4 on the list is 30,000. As you can tell here, scrolling down as well, we've got a couple of other really good books that are selling quite well under this keyword, starting with this one, 28,000. Next up, we've got 50,000 as well as, and also notice that the all of these books, they have really good vibrant covers, and most of them have really good star rating as well. So most of the customers are really happy with the output, and they're really happy with their results from these books. So one thing that I pay attention to is not only the positive reviews, but also the negative reviews also play a really big role. Let's say, for example, let's go to this one, the horse coloring book, utilizing our keyword for the day, and we want to just quickly see what categories is it trending for, or is it listed for, what are the positive and negative reviews. For example, what sizes. This one is a pocket sizes. It is an 8.5 times 8.5 inches, and it is utilizing our main keyword. And as you scroll down, it is a total of 112 pages, published in 2022. Scrolling down as well, looking to see if they have any A+ content. Is currently ranked in 2 categories: biology of horses and animal coloring, a book for grown-ups. And it has some of the reviews right over here. Now bear in mind, it does not have any 1-star or 2-star reviews at all, but the 3-star reviews are only 2%. Now if you want to have a look here to see what are the reviews, most of them are really happy. As you can tell, my daughter loves horses, and so I was looking for a coloring book she could use that was related to her interest, and I find that this book is perfect for her age, and it is a challenge for her, unlike other coloring books, because it has variety. Now you want to note down what the customers like about these kind of books, and then you want to also create a similar book. Remember, never ever copy, but use it as inspiration. Make note of the elements used, makes note of the categories listed as well as the sizing as well, just so you can have some idea on what kind of books you can be able to create. Let's dive into our second keyword for the day, which is horse coloring book for adults. And this is a wonderful keyword to utilize for either the subtitle or for the 7 keyword slots. So let's dive into the data. Self-publishing titans have given this a 51, while Amazon's Cat Pro has given this a number 9, categorizing this as a great niche. Number 9 is the highest on the scale, and we're all quite happy with that. And it beautifully complements this data that we have right here. Total results are 1,792. Average best-selling rank is a little bit on the higher side, and you could be able to cut down through that by sub-niching or by utilizing this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots rather than the title or the subtitle. And it is averaging 509,145, average reviews of 490, and average price is $8.16. And there is quite a potential for this wonderful keyword. I don't want to have to just completely ignore it because of the slightly higher bestseller rank, because there is potential to get your book ranking for this amazing keyword. Right over here, as you can tell, we have a couple of really good books that are not sponsored with a bestseller rank under 100,000, starting with this one at 10,000, this one at 8,000. We've got a couple of others as well, 28,000 right over here, which is the book that we've managed to open 93,000 as well. Most of these books are independently published. If you have a look right here, when it says the publisher, it says independently published, and it gives you the year as well, and it gives you the categories that the book is ranking for as well. So you could get an idea what kind of categories you can be able to choose. This one's also a great one. This one is ranking at 61,000 for the bestseller rank as well. So that was the second keyword. Let's dive into the third keyword for the day, and it is horses coloring book for adults. And this is another great keyword, but it has a lower average bestseller rank compared to this one. What is the difference between the first and second keyword? As you can tell right here, this one is horse coloring book for adults, then the other one is horses coloring book for adults. So what is the difference is that there is an S added in that second keyword right over here compared to the previous one, and that gave us a smaller average bestseller rank of 447,262, which is within the acceptable range, because it's within that 400,000 as the maximum of the bestseller rank we can accept for. And it has given us similar results: 1,791 niche score, 65. The Amazon's Cat Pro has given us a niche score of number 8 as well. So bear in mind that a small slight difference with one letter can make all the difference when it comes to selecting the right keyword. So I would personally go ahead and use this wonderful keyword for the subtitle or for the 7 keyword slots, provided that the book that I'm going to be creating for is for adults, in order to fulfill that promise. Now, it does meet the average bestseller rank of 100,000 or less on the first page. We have managed to find a couple of pages that fulfill a couple of books that fulfill that, which is